Hi, good morning from the Philippines. It's December 3, 7 o'clock a.m. and I already got the postal mail from Technische Universität Ilmenau in Germany. I guess this is the culmination of the doctoral journey and I want to document, if only for me, the contents of this particular envelope. So I'm opening it now. Let's see what it is. Okay, you see the folder of the university. Okay, the spirit of science. Okay, there's a letter in German